Question 5. A student does a titration to find the concentration of a solution of sulfuric acid. So this is the student's method. Fill a burette with a sulfuric acid and record the reading. Transfer 25 cm cube of potassium hydroxide solution to a conical flask. Add a few drops of methyl orange to the conical flask. Place the conical flask on a white tile. Then swirl the flask continuously while adding sulfuric acid from the burette. Keep adding sulfuric acid until the endpoint has been reached. Record the rough reading at the endpoint. So name the most suitable pieces of apparatus for measuring 25 cm cube of potassium hydroxide solution. So we will use pipette. Next, state why the student places the conical flask on a white tile in order to observe the color change clearly. Question B. The diagram shows the final burette reading. The initial burette reading is given in the table. Complete the table, giving both values to the nearest 0.05 cm cube. So final burette reading is around 32.1.2, 32.5. No, sorry, 32.25. Okay. So the volume of sulfuric acid will be equal to 28.1. Then question C. The student repeats the titration for more accurately 4 times. The table shows their result. Concordant results are those within 0.2 cm cube of each other. So place ticks in the table to show which results are concordant. So 0.2. So starting with this, and this. And then use the concordant result to calculate the mean volume of sulfuric acid added. Okay, so we will have 27.4 plus 27.3 plus 27.35 divided by 3. So we have 27.4 plus 27.3 plus 27.35 divided by 3 is 27.35. Question D. Another student also does the titration. The student uses 25 cm cube of potassium hydroxide solution with a concentration of 0.5 mole per liter. The mean volume of sulfuric acid added is 26.5 cm cube, and this is the equation for the titration. So calculate the concentration of the sulfuric acid. So we have, according to the formula, mole equal to concentration times volume divided by 1000. So we have concentration of the potassium hydroxide equal to 0.5 times volume, which is 25, divided by 1000. But we have 2 here in the equation, so I have to multiply with 2 here, equal to the mole of the sulfuric acid. So we have to find the concentration, right? So concentration of sulfuric acid times volume of sulfuric acid, which is equal to 26.5 divided by 1000. So 1000 can be cancelled out. So the concentration of sulfuric acid will be equal to 0.5 times 25 divided by 2 times 26.5. So it will be 0.5 times 25 divided by 2 and then divided by 26.5, which is equal to 0.24 mole per liters. Next one, the student repeat the titration without the methyl orange indicator. They add exactly 26.5 cm cube of sulfuric acid to the potassium hydroxide solution. Describe how the student could obtain pure dry potassium sulfate crystal from the reaction mixture. So first one is heat the solution until crystals form. And then allow it to cool. Next is filter the solution to obtain the crystal, and then the last step is leave it to dry.